Hello and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Kayak account using the Android app. If you're no longer using Kayak or want to close your account for privacy or personal reasons, follow along carefully to complete the process securely. First, open the Kayak app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner. Then, select Account from the menu options. After that, scroll down until you find the section labeled Delete your account permanently. Tap on it. Now, you'll be asked to confirm. Check the box that says, Yes, I want to delete my account. Then, tap Continue to proceed. At this point, Kayak will send a verification code to the email address associated with your account. Open your email, copy the code, and return to the Kayak app. Finally, paste the code into the confirmation field and tap Delete Account to finish the process. That's it! You've successfully deleted your Kayak account from the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other guides for more step-by-step tech tips and how-tos.